Good morning all of you. I hope all of you are fit and fine. In this video we will continue our chapter Computer Networks of class 12th. Today we will learn about the network protocols. A protocol is a formal description of message formats and the rules that two or more machines must follow to exchange those messages. Some most common protocols are TCP/IP, FTP, PPP, SMTP, POP3, VoIP, and wireless or mobile communication protocol. Let's understand all these protocols one by one. TCP/IP. The TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. TCP/IP is a set of layered protocols used for communication over the Internet. The communication model of this sort is client-server model. A computer that sends a request is the client and a computer to which the request is sent to is the server. Next protocol is FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. FTP is a client-server protocol where a client will ask for a file and a local or remote server will provide it. Using FTP to transfer files is helpful in these ways: easily transfer files between two different networks, can resume file transfer sessions even if connection is dropped if protocol is configured appropriately, enables collaboration between geographically separated teams. Next protocol is PPP. PPP stands for point-to-point protocol. Point-to-point protocol is a communication protocol of the data link layer that is used to transmit multi-protocol data between two directly connected computers. It is a byte-oriented protocol that is widely used in broadband communications having heavy loads and high speeds. Let's understand the services provided by the PPP. So the main services provided by point-to-point protocol are defining the frame format of the data to be transmitted, defining the procedure of establishing link between two points and exchange of data, stating the method of encapsulation of network layer data in the frame, stating authentication rules of the communicating devices, providing address for network communication, and providing connection over multiple links. The next protocol is SMTP. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is a set of communication guidelines that allow software to transmit an electronic mail over the internet is called Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is a program used for sending message to other computer users based on email addresses. It provides a mail exchange between users on the same or different computers, and it also supports it can send a single message to one or more recipients. Sending message can include text, voice, video, or graphics. It can also send the messages on networks outside the internet. The next protocol is POP3. The POP protocol stands for Post Office Protocol version 3. POP3 allows you to download email messages on your local computer and read them even when you are offline. The Post Office Protocol is an Internet Standard Protocol used by local email software clients to retrieve emails from a remote mail server over a TCP/IP connection. Next protocol is VoIP. VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol. VoIP is basically a telephone connection over the internet. The data is sent digitally using the internet protocol instead of analog telephone lines. This allows people to talk to one another long distance and around the world without having to pay long distance or international phone charges. I hope it's clear to all of you. Let's understand some wireless or mobile communication protocol. There are various mobile communication protocols are available such as GSM, GPRS and WLL. Let's understand all these protocols one by one. GSM. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. It is a digital cellular technology used for transmitting mobile voice and data services. The concept of GSM emerged from a cell-based mobile radio system at Bell Laboratories in the early 1970s. GSM makes use of narrow band time division multiple access, that is TDMA technique for transmitting signals. Next protocol is GPRS. GPRS stands for General Packet Radio Service. It is a packet-based wireless communication technology that charges users based on the volume of data they send rather than the time duration for which they are using the service. This is possible because GPRS sends data over the network in packets and its throughput depends on network traffic. As traffic increases, service quality may go down due to congestion, hence it is logical to charge the users as per data volume transmitted. Next protocol is WLL. WLL stands for Wireless in Local Loop. It is a wireless local telephone service that can be provided in homes or offices. The subscribers connect to their local exchange instead of the central exchange wirelessly. Using wireless link eliminates last mile or first mile construction of network connection, thereby reducing cost and setup time. As data is transferred over very short range, it is more secure than wired network. I hope all these protocols are clear to all of you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.